Election Commission of India is very soon going to launch a single point app for the stakeholder to subsume over existing 40 IT apps with enhanced UI UX. So new app will be known as the ECI Net to facilitate electoral services for citizens, seamless, convenient data handling for electoral officers. So this act is a very new initiative, and it has already reached in the advanced stage of development, and rigorous trials are being conducted to ensure smooth functionality, ease of use, and robust cyber security measures. It is being developed after an elaborate consultative exercise involving 36 CEOs of all state UTs, 767 district election officers, and 4,123 electoral registration officers of their state UTs, and after receiving 76 publications comprising 900 pages of electoral framework, instructions, and handbook issued by ECI from time to time. So, the data provided through ECI Net will be strictly aligned with the legal framework established by the Representation of the People Act 1950 and 51, registration of the electoral rules 1960, and conduct of election rules 1961, and instruction issued by Election Commission of India time to time. So there is the list of 40 existing ECI applications. So list is already been given here. So it involves the affidavit portal, India a web result website, Election 24 or the ECI sweep, ECI website, Ambosa, Wiresnet, Myth versus Reality, Election Trend, TVC Whistle Portal, EMS, Incor, Media Voucher, Suvidha, Observer Portal, Election Planning, IEMS, PPR, TMS, ERONet 2, Voter Service Portal, Service Voters Portal, ETPBMS, NGSP, Electoral Search, ERONet app, BLO app, CVGIL app, Decider app, Incor Nodal app, ESMS app, Investigator app, KYC app, Monitor app, Observer app, Saksham app, Suvidha app, Voter Helpline app, and Voter Turnout app. So this is the list of the different IT tools being in the public domain for the different type of the users. So that will be comprised in one ECI Nets framework.